I'm a big dude and this is tough. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2014 Ranger RT188 super speed bass boat that we bought over at Copart. This boat is absolutely amazing. In the last video, you did see us troubleshooting this huge wired harness on this boat. We were having trouble with the starter and the tilt and trim. We've got fantastic news. We found all that trouble. We're going to show it to you shortly. It's amazing that we found it. We fixed it. We're on our way to getting this thing on the water. So what we're going to do today, we brought it up here to the shop. We're going to pull out the aluminum welder. We're going to get this little spot welded up. Hopefully everything is going to go good and smooth and we're all going to be happy and pull this sucker right back home and get started on getting everything together to get it to the lake. So you know what? That's enough talking. Let's start welding. So check it out. They ran a screw into that wire. They shorted the yellow with the red stripe to the blue with the white stripe. And that's our whole trouble the whole time. It's crazy, I know, but we found it in this wire. So we're going to fix it up. Alrighty guys, we got the boat all in the shop. We got the welder busted out. We got everything hooked up. We got the argon turned on. We are ready to get this sucker hooked up. The only thing that we really wanted to try to find a Ford fender or something to practice on a little bit would have helped us get this sucker dialed on in. But as always, we couldn't find that, so we're just gonna wing it. That's the best way to do it, is just wing it. So what we gotta do, we got a small crack in the bottom. And then we got a few welds we're going to weld on the back side of these braces in here to keep that stuff from happening again. It looks like maybe this brace maybe turned loose when they bumped something with that keel. So we're going to get the welder set up. We're going to lay down some aluminum dimes on this big Ranger RT188. So let's stop talking and let's start welding.
All right, guys, so we just got that welded up. We think we did a pretty good job. It was our first time ever welding aluminum. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pick up our tools and everything. We're gonna back the truck up, take this sucker to the put-in, see if it takes on water. So let's go do that right now.
Alrighty guys, check it out. We brought this boat to the beautiful Lake Blue Ridge because that's what we was closest to. We got tripped up just a little bit. I was just talking away and turned it the wrong place. But I backed CC off in this lake right here and he checked out our welding job and it is absolutely 100% leak free. It maybe doesn't look the best, but me MIG welding aluminum the first time, I think it's really, really good. And if we want to, we can grind that weld right back down and make it look professional. It doesn't look bad, honestly and truly. For the first time welding aluminum, it looks really good. And the most important thing is, it didn't leak. We did attempt it in the last video to get the porta power out and stretch the side back out where it had that little dent. We accomplished that task today. We got it back out just as much as we possibly could. We're really loving this boat. We really want to just back it off in the lake and take off right over through there. But we just can't do it today. It's not in our cards. We will serve no wine until it's time. So you know what? That's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.